I don't know if it's recording. Oh, it is. Okay, hello guys, and welcome. I am Rock, and I am the developer of a large Discord bot. And today I'm going to be showing you basics of making a Discord bot with Discord PY in Python. And I hope this tutorial will be very useful when you want to start your own. So firstly, it's important to make your own Git repository, which you simply do going on new and clicking folder, and you can name it to something. Now, firstly, you're going to make a bot called, so we're going to call it bots.py. Okay, now we're going to go into Notepad. We're going to open it in Notepad, because that's a pretty useful one. So firstly, as you see here, we've got a few requirements that we need. That's a bit too small. Let me make it a bit bigger. There. So you'll need Discord, you'll need a Synceo, and there's just a bunch here. If you want to copy the rest, you can pause the video and stop it. But for now, I'll just be using this. So firstly, we want to be able to dynamically change our bot. So what you want to do is load from a file. So in this example, we will use an f string to get from a file. So in this case, we'll be referencing config.json, and this b will be used later on, but for now we'll just set it to exclamation mark. Now we want to read it, so we're going to use openType and set that to R. And lastly, we're going to actually open the file using the open function. Now as a file, we need to read the content using file.read. And lastly, we have to load it using json.loadAs and the file content. Now what we have is a JSON file, but it doesn't exist here, so if we run it, it won't work. So now we're going to make a new file called config.json, and you just edit that. Now this example, we're going to use it as a token, so we're going to go here, use token, and there. Now we need to get a token, so we're going to go to discordapp.com developers and go to applications, and I'm going to make a new bot. So let's call it gamerbot. Okay, now we got our basic bot. Now we're going to go bot and add bot, and bam, gamerbot 6708. Now what you'll do is reveal the token and then copy it. Make sure you have public bot on, else no one will be able to add it. So now as you have it here, we can copy that token and paste it in, and we're done. So we don't need to use it anymore. Now it'd be very useful if we print JSON and then reference it by using token equals JSON token. Let's see, is it running? Yes it is. Okay. And now we're gonna have to be able to actually use the bot code. So use discord.x and import commands and import client. Now next we have to actually reference the client using commands.bot, and for this you're going to use command prefix and b, which we have used here, which will be the command prefix. And now we can do some basics such as client.event, which will make a new event, and def onReady, which will call this code when the bot starts up. Now next you'll need client.event and a message, meaning anytime anyone messages it, it will print the message content, and then it will work. And also you will need a wait client that process message content. Now what we want is to actually ignore any bots, the bot. So what you do is if message.content author in, and make this a list range, then make it a large number, minus the self.user.id, this in a knot. No, that won't work. So this means if it's okay, so for true doesn't equal that, so you'll get every user ID and remove the one the bot has. So if the user's in it, that means they are not the bot, and then it will stop continuing. Now next we'll make a command using a client command, and then make it ping. Then make an alias called ping with a capital P, so you can use basically case sensitive stuff. And lastly, we just simply send pong or something like that. And now just simply client run token. Now you've made your bot and you made a config file, and now you're done. Now as you can see, if we open up this, open desktop, cd new bot, we'll see it just works, and it should say bot's ready, and now your bot's working. Now go to general information, client ID, go back to bot and bot permissions. Go go to bot, yeah, and now copy this, and you paste this link in, you'll be able to add your bot to any server you're on, such as these. So if I go and add it to this server and you do this, you will see it works. Let's see, let's run the bot again. And you'll see it's now up. And if we do help, there's a problem with Discord bot development. Sometimes there's a problem with the library. That's not the right file. This one. There's usually a problem in the library, which is brokenness sometimes. So you have to use this. And then run it again. Use Control C to stop. Okay, it's not stopping. Now run it again, and we'll see it will work. And let's do help. I think I need more memory actually. Yeah, okay. So you might need quite a bit of memory to be able to run a Discord bot, at least around 16 gigs. So we know that works. So now we have to host it because we can't keep it just running in the console. So close this. Heroku.com. I recommend this. This is a good host. And you just go and click on new and create a new app. That's this game robot. Oh, in the future I'll be making a video on how to do this more and how to use Heroku in general. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video and I'll show you how to leak your token publicly on GitHub. And I will see you next time. Bye.